Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are talking about BAINz Inventory Management Software. So I already published the video how does my inventory management software works, what all the options it has. So in this video we're going to talk about the account section. Account section has a lot of options to work, so I'm making a totally separate video about account section. So first you can see that we have the date. Then you have transaction ID, party type, and then party name. And then we have the supplier, customer ledger, and supplier ledger. Then we have the date of today. At the left side, we have the supplier details. Right side, we have the customer details. So now I'll show you how we can use this. First of all, we have to choose the party type. That can be customer or that can be supplier. First, we select the customer. There is no customer at all in all this. What we can do, we can simply click here, customer plus. From here we can add any customer, but for now I'll take supplier. We have a lot of suppliers added. Suppliers and customers, both the procedure is same to add, delete, edit, manage. So if you see the supplier details, you will be able to manage the customers also. So I select hyperpure and then I search. Below you can see the hyperpure, the company name is hyperpure, invoice issued is for rupees 40 only, balance is 40. That means we haven't make any payment to the hyperpure. Then we have next balance is United Poultry, amount is 965. So for so now so first we take the hyperpure. We can see the invoice issued total rupees is 40, total paid 0, due is 40. Then if I enter here 10, you can see it's showing me the balance after pay 10 will be 30. So for just example, I enter 30, like I paid to the supplier rupees 10 only, that was hyperpure. Invoice was issued rupees 40, I paid 10, now it is 30. Again, if I want to make some payment to the hyperpure, this time 15. So 15 will be balance. So yeah, it's working. See, so now invoice issued was 40, I paid 25 in 2 rounds and then balance is 15. For United Poultry, I'll take the United Poultry also, the supplier. There will be the United Poultry, search, and then amount was 965.25. So I'll enter the exact amount 965.25. You can see the balance is 00 because I'm making the enter payment. So the United Poultry is clear, there is no balance at all. At the top, whatever the invoice was issued for entire suppliers, the entire amount will be displayed here. Total paid amount will be here and total balance amount will be shown here. Then if I go to the supplier ledger, sorry, this is the supplier ledger, and I click this button. So I explain you what all the things we have in the ledger section. First you have date, start date, end date, then you have transaction number, and then supplier name. Then you have search, then you have show all, then print. First you click show all. So whatever the transaction we made, it's display over here. This is the entire entries, and you can see by default the date is started from 2018 and this is 2023. That means 5 years back data will be displayed here automatically. But if you want to make any changes in date, then like if you want to see only today's entries, then you can make then you can change the date from here, like it will be 19, or better you can simply copy this date and paste it here, paste, then search. As I have only 3 entries and it is today's only, so it's showing me this way. I'll click here show all again. But if you notice one thing, the date format is started from month, then date, then year. If you have a transaction number, you want to see that particular transactions entries, then you can click here 1016, sorry 16. I search, and now we can see 1016 transaction was united quality, due amount on that day was 965 and total paid this much, balance was this much. Then we have the hyperpure. If I selected the supplier name hyperpure, then we search. So you can see the invoice was issued rupees 40, total paid is 25, balance is 15. And the entries also 119, we make one entries was amount was 10 and then next entry was 15. And when you make entries, when we paid rupees 15 at that time, the due was 30. And when you paid rupees 15, the due was 30. And we paid 15, the balance is 15. So that's how you can see that any particular day you make payment to any customers or suppliers, you can see on that day what was the amount due for that particular party, supplier or customer. Then if you want to get a print of this ledger, you can simply click print. I'll select here 111, sorry, 100. It's saved now. I'll show you the PDF also. 100. So that's our supplier ledger. The name was Hyperpure. So that's how you can use the supplier ledger. The supplier ledger and customer ledger both same, work similar way, look same, everything is same. So from here also you can add any supplier or customers or can edit also. So I'll add one customer and I'll show you how can add, edit or delete suppliers and customers. Both are the same. Customer's name will be Mr. Bain. Customers, what type of customer is that? Frequently or regular? Maybe regular. Address is not necessary. Remarks you want to add and then add the customer. Now one customer we have added. If you think that no, I need to add the customer's address too, then simply double click on it. So the address is Kolkata. Now this time I'll update. Just showing update successfully. You can see the address is Kolkata now. If you think no, I need to delete this customer, then double click and click on delete, then it will be deleted. So that's how you can add, update or delete any customers or suppliers details. So friends, in this video I have explained you how you can use the account manager of BAINz Inventory Management software. So if you haven't watched the full video, how does this software works, what all the options available in this software can be useful for your business, so the link will be in description box. Don't waste your time, just watch the video. If you think that it is suitable for your business, the downloading link will be in description box. Once you download, contact me. I'll make the necessary setting for you so that you can start using it as soon as possible. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any query, you can contact me on WhatsApp. My number will be there on description box.